Join me as I take you through my process of welding up a polyurethane bumper. Using a die grinder and a coarse die, I will groove out the cracked area. I will go as deep as possible. This will allow me to weld in as much PUR ribbon as I possibly can to create a nice strong repair. Before I weld in the PUR, I will use a belt sander with a coarse grit belt just to rough up all the edges. As you can see, this helps with the actual welding of the PUR to create a stronger adhesion. You can only weld a PUR bumper using an airless welder. My favourite one is from Polyvance. Using the specific polyurethane rod, I can now melt this into the area that I have grooved out. It doesn't matter if you overfill the cracked area, because you will be sanding this back shortly to level it off with the actual bumper itself. And as you can see, that's exactly what I've done here. Now you need to just cool down your weld before you can start sanding it. Make sure it's cool. I'm going to go in with a 50mm DA and 60 grit paper. I'll then step this up to a 75mm DA using a 120 to 180 disc. Continue with this process until your weld is the same level as the bumper itself. When you're happy with this, you can now apply some putty. I'm actually using some UV putty because this is a quick product from Colad. It cures in 3 seconds and works really well on both plastics and metal. Don't forget to wear your protective glasses. As I said, this is the Colad fast curing system. It only takes 3 seconds to cure the putty itself. Now I can move on, applying some guide coat so I can see any high or low spots and sand it back. For this part of the process, I'm going to use my Kovacs dust extraction system on the 75mm DA with a soft backing pad. This helps to follow the contours of the panel. When everything's nice and leveled off, I can move on to the next process, which is a quick mask and application of some primer. I'm using a UV primer because it has a good build to it and it cures exceptionally fast. 2 minutes, it's done. Mask up the car and refinish as you normally would. That's how I repair a polyurethane or PUR cracked bumper. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.